Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I've got a 2014 Harley Davidson V-Rod I want to show you. This is the Night Rod Special. Denim black paint trimmed in orange. Black powder coated rims with the orange stripe. Looks pretty cool. Inverted forks. 1250cc liquid cooled V-twin. Got forward mount foot controls. Upgraded pegs down here. Also got upgraded exhaust from Toxic Pipes. Bike's in nice shape. 240 rear tire, has a lot of meat left on it. Upgraded hand grips. Nice shape. Didn't see anything I needed to point out to you. Ran it through the shop and checked it out. Might be a tiny little scratch there and there. Don't even know if you can see it. Smoke turn signal lenses. Dash got a tack, speedo, and fuel gauge, and some indicator lights. Oh, this bike's got anti-lock brakes on it too. That's a good thing. 2,344 miles. Kind of competing with a train right now. Pipes are pretty loud. If you'd like to know more about this bike, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. This one qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. If you've had a hard time getting on a Harley Davidson, you can check out our test ride leasing program. This one qualifies for that as well. Good tire on the front. See our complete inventory online at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.